Hi everyone, I'm Unnati Srivastava. Let's talk about something very interesting today. As everybody would know that the President of India has notified the appointment of 9 Supreme Court judges, which includes 3 women. Let's take the name of those 3 women first, which is Justice Hema Kohli, Justice B.V. Nagaratna, and Justice Bela Trivedi. Now let's discuss something about Justice B.V. Nagaratna. Justice B.V. Nagaratna, according to seniority, is in the line to become the first woman Chief Justice of India in September 2027. Though her tenure is only going to be for 36 days. Now, here, what becomes important for us is to discuss that other than these 3 judges, who are those 8 other women judges that we had in the Supreme Court? Let's start from Fatima Bibi, who was the first woman judge to the Supreme Court. Then, second came Sujata Manohar. Third came Justice Ruma Pal, who was the longest serving female judge of the Supreme Court of India. Fourth was Justice Gyan Sudha Mishra. Fifth was Justice Ranjana Desai. Sixth was Justice R. Bhanumati. Seventh was Justice Indu Malhotra. And eighth was Justice Indra Banerjee. And after the addition of the next 3 female judges who are appointed to the Supreme Court, we will have total of 11 female judges to the Supreme Court till date. This question is important for exams like Delhi Judiciary and UP Judiciary, and a similar kind of question was also asked in Delhi Judiciary in 2018. Thank you.